Hello friends, this is Priyanka Manik. Welcome back to my channel Prison Kalakari. Today's video will be on doodle art, so keep watching. So friends, we'll need a white sheet. I'm using an A4 sized white sheet. You can also use your drawing book. In fact, I would prefer using a drawing book, but I don't have one, and currently because of lockdown I cannot buy it either. We will also need black marker. I have two of these. You can use any one. Also, we will need a black gel pen. Now, I don't have a black gel pen. I have a blue and a red, so I'll be using this. You can also use any other colored gel pen. Even a ball pen would do, but I feel gel pen is much more better. We need the pencil to draw the figure in which we are going to make the doodle. So we can just roughly make the figure with the pencil, and eraser is optional. In case you make any mistake in making the figure, we can use it. So let's start. So we will be making a butterfly and we'll be doing doodle art in that. So I'm making the body of the butterfly like this, the head round in shape, and then the body like this. You can make the wings the way you want to. There are no specifications. I'll be making it this way. I'll be making it bigger, and also I'll be dividing it into various parts so that I can make different designs in each part of the wing and can show you different kind of patterns for doodles. Now with the marker you can just trace it on this. Once you're done with tracing, erase the pencil marks. And now, like I said, I'll be dividing the wings into various parts. Again, you can do it the way you want. If you don't want these many parts, if you want to only put 2 or 3 designs or create 2 to 3 patterns or designs on the wings, it's perfectly alright. The choice is yours. I wanted to divide the wings into various parts and show different designs, so I'll be doing it this way. And this one I'll be doing it like this. We'll make the eye. Now I like this leaf kind of a design here. Again, you can make your own patterns, you can create your own designs. Now for the designs inside the wings, I'll be using the gel pen. I have the blue gel pen like I had said earlier. So I'll be making this kind of a design on the body of the butterfly. So once we are done with this, we are going to start with this part of the wing. I'm making these kind of a design, a pattern. Now this second part I'll be making this kind of a pattern. So few lines like this, and the most inner part I'll be shading it, rather I'll be filling it. So see, I'm done with that. It looks lovely. So guys, also I will not be providing details regarding each and every design, because otherwise the video will be too long. I'll be showing bits and parts of the design, and in case if you want to know about any design in detail, you can comment on the video and I will sure make a separate video on that kind of a design for you guys. So this is a kind of a pattern which I am creating, and I'll repeat it again. So guys, like I said, there is no strict pattern, or there is no strict way that you have to do it in this way only. You can use your own imagination, you can use your own creativity, make your own patterns, make a single pattern in the whole wings, make different patterns. See, now I'll be doing this one. It's like a triangle, and then filling up the triangle with simple straight lines. So just placing the lines in some particular way can create such a wonderful pattern. So my tip for the beginners here will be to go slow when you're doing patterns, and do it with full focus. Slowly you will achieve a very good level of neatness. See, this is an easy pattern but looks very nice while doing it. So I have made few horizontal lines, few vertical lines, so I got these kind of squares, and every alternate square I'll be coloring. Now here, because I'm using red and blue, I thought of coloring them with red, since I have made the lines with the blue pen. In case you're using any one color, you can color with the same pen with which you have made the lines. That will also look very nice. It gives a very good effect if you see. I'm shading a little bit of the leafy patterns. Filling up the shape like this for a better effect. So I'm done with one wing of the butterfly. It's looking lovely. I have made these kind of lines here with my blue gel pen. Now I'll be using my red pen, so the strokes will go like this. Again, you can use any one color or a single color or a black gel pen only to do all of these designs, and it looks as lovely as these colorful one looks. Now here I'm making circles or ovals, you can say. I'm filling up these spaces between the shapes that I have made, and making a few strokes like this inside so that they don't look empty. Now here I'm making some triangular sort of a design, and filling once will be filling one side of it. So whatever comes to your mind, you can just keep doing. So like I said, I'll be filling up this part of the triangles. Now here I'm making these kind of lines. I'm sorry for this honking sound coming again and again. So just a couple of lines like these, and continue the pattern. To fill up this space of the wing. So I'm using these designs in small parts of the wings. You can do it in the bigger part as well. So you fill alternate like these, and it looks lovely. Now here I'll be making these kind of circles. And I will be making a couple of inner circles, and then making a flower. These are the petals, and then I'll be shading the uh, part which is outside the flower, but it's inside the innermost circle. So I'll be filling up this part like so, so that it looks really good. Yeah, now I'll be doing this part. Now here again I'm planning to do some check design. So again, a few horizontal lines, a few vertical lines, and then I will be also adding a few lines diagonally, so that we get a lot of triangles inside. I'll just show you how that will look like. Yeah. So I'm just making these lines diagonally so we get so many triangles. And then we'll fill up the triangles alternatively like this. It will create a wonderful pattern. Again, here you can fill up with the same pen. Since I have both colored pens, I am trying to use both of them. Isn't it looking lovely? Now here I'm making this kind of an overlapping pattern. I'll be filling it up later in case I feel that it's looking quite empty in between. So I'll start with the next pattern. I'll create these kind of circles and then I'll fill up the space between them like this. These kind of minor things can really enhance your design. See, here I am trying to make a few petals. So generally what happens is with gel pens you can make the designs quite smoothly. It really flows well. That is what my experience is. I'll be filling up this part outside the petal. It looks really good, isn't it? Wow. Now I have this part remaining where I'll be making a few lines, a few curved lines first on both the sides. I'll be filling up the innermost part. It gives a lovely look. Yes, I filled up the part with the red pen. Now I feel this triangular part looks a little empty, so I'll just make a few triangles inside these, or sort of I can say angles. Yeah, now it's looking better. So you can improvise your designs like this. Now let's fill the head part of the butterfly. It's looking empty to me. If you want to keep it the way it is, you can leave it like that as well. I wanted to fill it up like this. Now I'm feeling this part is a bit empty, so I'll just fill it up with these kind of lines. Now with the marker, we will outline the whole figure of the butterfly. And then we are done. So this is how the final look of your butterfly looks like. So friends, do comment and let me know how did you like the video. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. And I have not made a very detailed video on each and every design in the tutorial. In case you want a detailed video on any of the designs, do leave a comment below and let me know so that I can make that for you. So meet you until the next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.